Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. So I wanted to go through some brief unboxings, talk about some of the projects I have planned for this weekend, kind of give an update on everything. So the Orange Minis finally totaled out. I got paid today, which is great. So it's like 3.5 weeks after the actual accident happened. The JCW is moving along. So I have a bunch of products that are going on this weekend. Rear sway bar end links, the sway bar clamps, the strut tower brace. I'm in the process of changing out all of these trims to black, but I'm missing the plastic that retains it was broken. So I'm waiting for that to come. I've got new scuttle plates on order for here that are the JCW scuttle plates that are the black LED. They call them the LCI or facelift versions. I have a new black grill ring because this one was spray painted by the guy previously, so I have a new one of those coming. I have a sticker coming for the roof. I'm going to do the JCW logo on the roof. So just a bunch of different parts that are going to be coming and being done. But this weekend my goal is to get the strut tower brace, the rear sway bar end links and clamps, as well as the M-Cube downpipe installed, and just kind of wrap all of that up. I do also have modal brake fluid, and I have some stainless steel brake lines. So I'm hoping that I can get those done too. I'm going to do a brake service, meaning bleed the brakes and replace the fluid at the same time as I replace those the brake lines with the stainless brake lines. And then when I do my service, I'm also going to do an oil change. I'm going to do a filter change. I'm going to put in a magnetic drain plug. I'm going to do a transmission fluid change, a manual transmission fluid, and I'm going to replace the cabin air filter and the air filter on my NM intake. I actually got a red one from NM here. So lots of stuff going on, lots of products here, different things to play with, which is always fun, but can definitely be overwhelming. I did want to unbox a couple things on camera here today. So I got a couple packages. So this first one is from Obsessed Garage. I just picked this up Monday. I want to say I placed the order. Today's Friday. So this is a red shirt, which I have a lot of their shirts. I don't have a red one yet. I'm sure it's going to be very similar to the others. I really like how their shirts wear. I like how they fit. They're very comfortable, and I tend to wear them pretty often because they're some of the best shirts that are in my closet from a comfort standpoint. I have a new TV coming for the living room. I ordered a Sony A80J, one of their OLED displays. It's going in the living room, and that's going to lead to a bunch of things getting upgraded. So the living room TV is going to the master bedroom. The master bedroom TV is going to come out here, and I'm going to, the TV that was here went to one of my kids who didn't have a TV, not because he wasn't allowed to have a TV, but because he'd never wanted one before, but he decided he wanted a TV, so I gave him the one from the garage, and then I'm going to put the 55-inch that's in my bedroom out here, upgrade the 55 in the bedroom to a 70. The living room TV is a 70, and we're going to a 77 in the living room with a Sony Bravia X80J. So pretty excited about that. That's coming next Tuesday. I needed them to deliver it because I can't stand it up inside my vehicle, and they don't want you to lay it down during transit. I have another package here from Obsessed Garage. All that was to say that there's an Amazon package here with a TV mount in it. So I have to install that this weekend as well, so that I'm ready for the TV when it comes on, when it comes next week. So this is actually, this was like a open box or trinkets and treasures or whatever you want to call it from Obsessed Garage. So I got some Wolf's nanoglass sealant. It looks like there was a problem in the packaging where a little bit of it, one of the bottles probably leaked and messed up the logos on everything, but it's still a full bottle. So that happens from time to time. So I ended up getting this for like $35 instead of $50. So we'll get to try that out, the nanoglass sealant. And I actually have a different sealant that my neighbor brought over for me to try as well. So maybe I'll do one of the vehicles with each of them, and we'll see which one we like better. This is the TV mount. So I got a flat TV mount, low profile. This is from Amazon. Echo Gear is the part number, but it's for 32 to 80 inch TVs. I'm putting a 55 on it. Supports up to 150 pounds. So that's going to get mounted here in the garage, and we'll get the other TV hung on it. Probably do a video on that. And then I also picked up another Roku. We use Rokus through most of the house. The TVs in our kids' bedrooms are Roku TVs, or they have a Roku stick attached to them. So there's one Roku stick, 2 Roku TVs. And then we do have a Roku TV that we use outside for our hot tub. That mostly just sits in our bedroom, not used, but strangely enough. Anyway, and then in our living room we use a Roku Ultra. So we have one Apple TV in the master bedroom, everything else is a Roku, and I like the Roku. I think it's a good platform. So, you know, here is obviously the Roku Express 4K, and this is gonna go out here on the 55 inch from the bedroom. And our new TV in the living room will, of course, stay on the Roku Ultra that it has right now. We might actually leverage some of the apps that are built into the TV, because it's a Google TV, or yeah, it's not Android TV, it's a Google TV. So that will probably deliver a really good picture quality. So this one's probably going to make me sad. Yeah, it's going to make me sad. So before the orange Mini got totaled, I had ordered a steering wheel from eBay for it. And unfortunately, it just arrived, but it's been almost 3 months. It was a custom steering wheel. It was about 500 bucks. So obviously wasn't cheap. And I picked orange because the car had a lot of orange. So here's what I've got. So it's actually super nice. So it's got a centering bar at the top. That is orange, obviously. All the stitching is orange on the inside. I don't know if you can try to make it so you can see it, but all of the stitching is orange all the way around. It's got a really nice grip on it. It's a factory steering wheel that was rewrapped. It did come with the buttons, which I wasn't expecting it to come with the buttons. Normally you have to move your buttons from your other car into this. But yeah, it's pretty sweet. So I had purchased this for the F56, the orange car. Obviously, it's not the same color of orange, but I just thought it would look cool and kind of bring, like, the orange lighting inside the car is a little bit darker orange than the body of the car, so I just thought it would kind of bring everything in, which it kind of does on that too, but it's also out of place. I don't have any red stuff internally. Everything is kind of orange on the inside for lights and stuff, but I don't know. It is really neat though. I really like this, and it's a flat bottom steering wheel too, which is super cool. Oh well, I have to figure something out for this, probably end up selling it or something. So if you're interested in it, hit me up. I might be selling it. I'm also in the process of checking out different desktop speakers. These would be passive, regular, like 3.5 inch bookshelf speakers for my desk in my actual computer desk that I sit at and work on all day. I picked up a pair of PSB P3s. Which I've been playing with for about a week at this point, and they've been good. I previously had a set of Boston Acoustics Soundware, I believe they were called, Soundware 4s or something like that. They're a cube speaker. They're kind of interesting because they can sit at different angles and stuff. They're pretty cool. And I picked up a set of Kantos, Kanto YU4 passives, which are right here. So they did arrive. But there's a separate video that will be on just the desktop speakers, and these will be on that. So if you're interested in seeing these, watch that video, and that should give you the details. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.